Hi everyone, we are married to reselling. I'm Faye and this is Simon, and I've got a haul video for you. So we sell on Amazon and eBay mainly, although now we're doing Etsy, Depop and Vinted. So it kind of changes things a little bit when outsourcing. But I've been out today because we had a sourcing trip yesterday cut short, so I sort of did the second half today by myself. There were 4 shops that I was going to in one town. Unfortunately, one of the shops was closed for lunch. That was the last shop I went to, and I didn't really have the time or the want to kind of wait around for it to open for 20 minutes. So I thought, time is money, go home.
Sad times.
Sad times. So I did all right. Bearing in mind, I was like there just for an hour, and I'm going to show you and Simon, because he hasn't seen them other than what's stacked up here, what I got. So go with that if you want.
Okay. Oh no, it's doing it again. This is all I've been hearing all afternoon whilst Faye's been shuffling things around. What is it?
It was doing it in the car as well on the way home. It's a cookie jar.
Oh.
That noise.
To alert people that you're going in the cookie jar.
Well, it's apparently a bumblebee buzzing.
Okay. Have you ever seen anything like that before?
No, it costs $4.95. I did look it up. I can't. It's the brand. I've got it on my phone. Can't remember exactly. It's plastic, and there's some other ones in their range of people and animals. Right. But yeah, I can make a profit on that. just put it somewhere where it's not going to make a noise.
Yeah.
I've just realised.
What?
That I bought some clothes. Oh, are they still in that bag?
No.
Where are the clothes I bought then?
In the car?
Bought some Christmas cards. Bought some make your own crackers, because I suddenly thought that we didn't have to do crackers this year because we're not hosting everyone Christmas Day, but we haven't got any crackers, and we are actually hosting my parents. So got some of those.
Okay.
Just in case you're interested. And then I bought this thing next. It's flat, it's breakable. So I said, oh, can I have some newspaper to wrap it in? And he practically gave me a whole newspaper and just stuck it in the middle. So if you can remove the newspaper, I don't like newspaper, I don't like touching it. I picked this up. It's a little picture. We've sold these before. These have been on a haul video before. It's Paulines People, handcrafted in Cornwall, and this is from 1990. It cost £1. So they're like, it's almost like Fimo or sort of clay.
Oh yeah.
But we sold 2 before.
Yeah.
So that's quite cute. I'm going to put that on eBay and Etsy.
Ooh. And
I got some board games. Got Would I Lie to You? I can't stand this TV programme. And that was $4.95. Lego Minotaurus. I paid up for this, but it's actually worth it.
Yeah, I've got one of those to check as well.
£10.
Wow.
And I paid £10 for this, Monopoly Simpsons.
Blimey.
Yeah, it's worth it though.
Yeah, I picked one of these up when I did my solo source a while ago. I had to go back for it because I saw it last minute. I'm sure it was this. I don't know if we've sold it yet.
It's like good condition either.
Yeah. £10.
I picked up 2 Ravensburger puzzles. I haven't seen this one before. This one is called The Red Box. We haven't seen those, have we?
No.
It's like the Cupboard of Curiosities. That was £5. Complete, apparently.
Is it good money?
Yeah, both these Ravensburgers are out of stock, new and used.
Wow.
This one I paid £3.50 for. This was 50% off. 2 right. It's 2 by 500 pieces. It's quite pretty.
We'll get those checked.
Yeah.
Oh, blimey. Bit of a collection. Ooh, I like what I see.
So when I was talking to Simon earlier, I didn't tell him what I got, but I said I did surprisingly well in one particular category, and that was DVDs. So we've got Spooks Season 2, brand new and sealed.
These do really well. Did you scan them today?
Yeah, paid £5.
Like last time we sold them was probably about 6 months ago. get sort of 30 plus for them, don't you? They're good ones to buy from eBay if you can get them new and flip over to Amazon. But the problem is, a lot of them that I bought off eBay to flip on Amazon, when they turned up, they just weren't new. They were battered, so I just was returning them all the time.
We've got Spook Series Season 4, brand new and sealed, £5.
And the earlier ones are definitely the better as well in terms of price.
Spook Season 5, brand new and sealed,
Nice.
£5. Oh look, what have we got here? Spooks, I'm guessing this is Season 1. Or was it 3?
3.
3.
Yeah.
And Season 6.
Wow. So you got
One was £7 randomly, one was 5.
So you got 1, 3, 4, 5, 6. That's brilliant.
I also got Matthew Bourne's Sleeping Beauty, music by Tchaikovsky, a gothic romance.
Niche.
Yeah, that was £1. I got Winnie the Pooh and Friends Christmas Collection, £3. I used to like this programme. Criminal Minds, this is the second series, £5. And good old Bob Monkhouse. An audience with Bob Monkhouse for 50p.
Good old Bob.
What was that programme he was in? That quiz show? I loved it.
I want to say Wipeout. It's not Wipeout. It's
Something like that. Began with W.
Wipeout was Paul Daniels, wasn't it?
Yeah, but it's where he had all categories or answers on a screen, and he had to tick them or press them all, and then run back and press the button.
Yeah. Bit like the wall on Only Connect, sort of.
Yeah, but I loved that. That was like when I was in sixth form. And these are the only vintage items I got, and they reminded me of my granddad and my mum, really. So look, it's like a pot for beef dripping, sort of thing my granddad would have had on toast. And pork dripping, that freaks me out a little bit, the pork one. And in the same set I got celery, and these are Pearson's of Chesterfield, made in England. They were £5 each, which is quite high, but I thought I'm going to put them on Etsy and I'm going to put them, like, list them as a bundle and go quite high.
Nice.
Very English beef dripping, or British.
Yeah. So you need to find your clothes then.
So Luna, what did you get on your sourcing trip?
Oh.
Luna!
They were in the car all along.
Oh.
Luna.
G'day.
Come on.
I got this game for us to play because you've been enjoying Upwards, and this is Double Quick, the world's fastest word game, for £1.75.
Good one.
I thought we could have a go. Oh yes, yes. Forgot there's other things other than clothes in there.
How did you forget about all of these? Oh God.
Told you it was a good day in a certain category. Yes, so there's more DVDs. We have Axemen, the complete season 1, America's Most Deadly Job. This was £1. Now, in this particular Chazza, I got quite a few DVDs, and she said, "Oh, I've only just reduced those this morning." I was like, "Oh, cool," because I possibly might not have bought some of these if we had made it there yesterday, if they were full price.
Yes.
So that was £1.
Cool.
We've got this one, Musical Collection, £2.50. I mean, these are sort of cracking ones for this time of year.
Getting these into Amazon FBA now is going to be tight. I might have to keep some back seller fulfilled, I'm not sure. It depends how quick as sellers they are.
Then we've got Titanic 8 DVD box set, £4. Now, that's entertainment, £2.
Did we sell this yesterday or the day before?
Don't know.
I think we did.
This is Spinal Tap DVD. This was £2. Paid up for this. Paid £15 for this.
What is it?
It's The World at War, the Ultimate Restored Edition.
Okay. And then you said you got loads of clothes in the other bag.
Yeah,
but actually you didn't.
loads.
You got loads of DVDs in the other bag and like two bits of clothing.
Oh, I don't know. Just, oh. I've got this rather nice knitted fat face dress for £6. I'm gonna get that on straight away because it's very Christmassy. It's got like snowflakes on it, Fair Isle style. And then they assure me that they're not fake, that they are real, so I just need to do my checking. But I got this Burberry London t-shirt for £6. And I also got this Burberry t-shirt for £6. Look, it's even got the heart and elbows. Oh.
That's nice.
Yeah. So not bad for an hour.
Yeah, pretty good going.
Yeah.
So what's your favourite pickup out of all of that lot then?
It's got to be the bumblebee cookie jar. What's your favourite pickup?
My favourite pickup of yours is definitely all the Spigs DVDs. That, if I've not looked at them for a while, but that is probably £27 you pay for 5 DVDs. Should easily share 150 quid on those. Very nice.
You're going sourcing tomorrow, aren't you? So there'll be another video very soon.
Yes.
Yeah. So thank you very much for watching. We really enjoy the fact that you're loving our videos, that you comment, that you subscribe, that you like. Thank you for watching. See you again soon. Bye.
Bye.